Hello everyone, I'm Charanya Gowda, pursuing my BE in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering and Technology, Vidyanagar, Bangalore. Department of Basic Science and Engineering. Name Charanya Gowda TS, Section Audi, USN number 23CS 1550, Branch Computer Science and Engineering. Subject Principles of Programming, Subject Code BPOP 103. Introduction to computer. A computer is a simple term can be defined as an electronic device that is designed to accept a data, performs required mathematically and logically operate at high speed and output the results. And the other definition of computer is an electronic device for a storage and the processing data typically in binary form according to instruction given to it in a variable program. Now let us go for types of generations of computer. Each generations of computer are characterized by major technologies and development that are dramatically change the way in which a computer operates. These computers have been smaller, cheaper, powerful, efficient, and more renewable. Generations of computer: first grade vacuum tubes, second generation transistor, third generation integrated circuits, fourth generation microprocessor, fifth generation artificial intelligence. Now let us go for a first generation, 1940 to 1946. This is about the vacuum tube. First generation computer used in a very large number of vacuum tubes for a magnetic drums for a memory, and they were very big in size and also have very expensive and mainly used in a scientific purposes. Vacuum tubes, this could be programmed using machine language, which is a lowest level programming language, consists only 1 second and the 0 seconds. This computer can solve only one problem at a time. Advantages of these application is they are very faster calculating device for their time. Disadvantages is they generate lots of heat. At the second generation, say the second generation, 1956 to 1963, this is about the transistor. Second generation computer were manufactured by the transistor rather than the vacuum tubes. They are very small, cheaper, more energy efficient and renewable. Although transistors also generate enormous heat, which subject to the computer damage, and they will be far better than the vacuum tubes. Transistors. Input was a feed to the second generation computing using a purchased card, and the output was generated as a printout. While this first generation computer were programmed using a machine language, the second generation program moved towards a symbolic or a assembly language which allowed a programs to specify the instruction in a word. The third generation, 1964 to 1971. This is about the integrated circuit. Several electronic computers such as transistor, resistor, capacitor were manufactured and placed on silicon chips and are called integrated chips, which drastically increase the speed and the efficiency of computer. Integrated circuit chips were smaller, less expensive, more renewable, faster in operation, consume less power, generate less heat than the computes used earlier. The third generation computer were also much more powerful than other their processor. Advantages are they are very faster than the second generation computer and could perform a million transactions per second. They are very smaller, cheaper, more renewable than the other computers. Disadvantages is these computers were difficulty to maintain. The fourth generation, 1971 to 1989. This is about the microprocessor. Fourth generation computer also saw the development a neutral network system and program to stimulate interface the mouse and the intelligence by reproducing the physical connection that device. Advantages is these computers were smaller, cheaper, faster, more renewable, and their procedures. Disadvantages is they are not intelligent system. Coming to the last generation, fifth generation, present beyond artificial intelligence. Fifth generation computers are completely based on the new concept of artificial intelligence. Gaming computers are programmed to play a game such as chess and checkers, ludo, and other gamings. Expert system computers are programmed to take a decision in a real world situation. Natural language computers are programmed to internet and other disturbed system understand and respond to the natural human language. Robotics computers are programmed to look, listen, react to other sensory stimulation. This is what about the topic which I have done the PPT. If you like this video, please share.